Hey everyone, so we are about to install the front and rear sway bars and Endlinks. It's all Neuspeed stuff, which is the same exact setup that I have on the RS3. They were out of stock of the rear sway bars for a minute, so they finally got in, and I got it next day, or almost next day. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna do the rears first because it's really easy. The front, when I did the RS3, found the less stressful way was to just do it whenever I dropped the subframe to do my dog bone bushings, the whole mount. The easiest way was to just drop the subframe. I'm going to try doing it like the regular way, which is just to drop a little bit of the subframe, like a few things out of the way. Worst case scenario, just drop everything because I'm good at it. So yeah, I'm gonna get to that. Hi everyone, per KB's request, I'm here to let you know that we got the rear sway bar in. And now I'm gonna do the front. We moved from nighttime and on the floor to daytime and on the lift. Cause we have to drop the subframe, so that's gonna be fun. Yeah, so there's a sway bar and there's gonna be another one. Wow! Hey everybody, I woke up really early this morning, so I'm tired. We got the sway bars and Endlinks on the Golf front and rear. Those along with the lowering springs. I mean, I have the identical setup on the RS3, so I was already used to it. On the Golf R, lighter front end, it likes to go into corners a lot more quickly and easily than the RS3 does anyways, so doing all the suspension stuff has made it feel even like flickier. Going into a corner, it just wants to go. Everything's a lot bumpier, which is great, if you like road feel or whatever, but yeah, other than that, it did what it was supposed to do, so no complaints. The front was a lot more annoying to put on than I remember it being on the RS3, but I did it completely differently. The RS3, I dropped the entire subframe because I was doing the dog bone insert, so everything was separated. On this, I just lowered the subframe a little bit. Doing it that way, you have to completely disconnect the right sensors to get the sway bar over the subframe. So that was a little bit more annoying than just dropping the whole thing, honestly. But it's not that hard. You can still do it on the floor. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm gonna go take a nap.